Hello audience, today I gonna show you how to fix access denied on ZArchiver. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now click apps information. Now click here search bar. Now search ZArchiver. Now scroll down. Now clear cache and clear data. Now all permission. Notification on. Now go back. Now next step, go to your Play Store. Now search bar. Now search ZArchiver. My ZArchiver already updated. Open your ZArchiver. By doing process, you can successfully your problem solve. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe now.